Hi guys, so we'll be solving an O-level past paper question from the year 2016. The session is October-November. This is question number 2. We'll simplify, factorize and solve for x using algebraic expressions. So let's get into it. The question says simplify 3a square over 10bc divided by 9a over 5b square c. The first step that you do is you write 3a square over 10bc as it is, and you switch the sign from division to multiplication and you flip the fraction 9a over 5b square to 5b square c over 9a. The next step that you do is, let's do that in black. We cancel out the c's, we cancel out one of the b's with one of them over here. Then we simplify 5 and 10, you get 2 over here. Then you cancel out this a with one of the a's over here and you simplify 3. This becomes 1 and 9 becomes 3. Then when you multiply this, you have a, 1a at the top and 1b at the top. A times b is ab over 2 times 3 is 6. So the simplified version of this is ab over 6. Let's do the rest of it in red. The next part says simplify h minus k over 5h minus 5k. So first what we need to do is we need to factorize the denominator, take out 5 from it. It becomes h minus k. Then you simplify h minus k from the top and bottom and you're left with 1 over 5. That's your answer, so you write it over here, 1 over 5. The next part says factorize 9m squared minus 4n squared. Now, in order to factorize this, we use the identity method. 9m squared becomes 3 square m square minus 4n squared becomes 2 square n square. This eventually becomes 3m minus 2n times 3m plus 2n. So you write your answer over here, 3m minus 2n and 3m plus 2n. That's your answer to this part. The next part says factorize q times p minus 2 plus 3 times 2 minus p. If you notice, if you flip this around and if you take out the negative sign out of this part, 2 minus p, this becomes p minus 2. This is what it looks like. So q times p minus 2 can remain as they are, plus if you take out the negative sign from this factor over here, you can write negative 3 times p minus 2 and it is actually the same thing. So you rearrange this. This becomes p minus 2. One of the factors is p minus 2 and the other factor is q minus 3 and that is your answer. So you write over here p minus 2 times q minus 3. The next part says find the two solutions of 5x minus 1 equal to plus minus 9. That means you have to use plus 9 and negative 9 simultaneously. Okay, so first we use plus 9. So we have 5x equal to 9 plus 1 which becomes 10. So 5x equals 10. So, sorry, I don't know what this looks like. So x equals 2. That's one of the values. Let's see what the other value is. So 5x minus 1 equal to negative 9. 5x equal to negative 9 plus 1. This gives us negative 8. So x becomes negative 8 over 5, or let's see what the other value is, negative 1.6. So I'll write the decimal value. We have negative 1.6 and 2. These are the two values of x. The next part says the solutions of 5x minus 1 equal to plus minus 9 are also the solutions of 5x squared plus bx plus c equal to 0, where b and c are integers. Find b and c. Okay, what we have to do over here is there are two different methods to do this. First of all, we can use the factor method. That's the shortest method, so let's use that. So one of the factors is x plus 1.6 and the other factor is x minus 2. When we expand this, we get x squared times negative 2x and then plus 1.6 times x is plus 1.6x and then 1.6 times negative 2 is negative 3.6. Wait, it's not negative 3.6. 2 times 1.6 is 3.2. So that's negative 3.2. 1 second. 3.2. This should somehow be equal to 5x squared plus bx plus c. Okay, so we simplify this further. We have x squared minus negative 2x plus 1.6x gives us 0.4x minus 3.2 equal to 5x squared plus bx plus c. Okay, the next thing that we do is you spot a 5 over here. That means this x squared needs to be multiplied by a 5. The entire equation needs to be multiplied by a 5. So this becomes 5x squared minus 5 times 0.4. Let's see what it is. 0.4 times 5. This gives us 2x, and then 3.2 times 5. This gives us 17.5. Okay, so you have 17.5 over here. 1 second. Let me see. Oh, sorry. Why did I multiply 3.5 with it? 1 second. Negative 3.2 times 5 gives us 16. So this is 16. So you have this equal this. So if you can spot bx is equal to negative 2x. So bx is equal to negative 2x. Cancel out the x's. B comes out to be negative 2. And c comes out to be negative 16. So your values are negative 2 and negative 16, and that's done. I hope this question made sense. The complete working of the entire question is present in the description below for you to download. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button, and thank you so much for watching.